Lewis structures. Rules. Rule number 1. Draw out the outline of the Lewis structure. 2. Figure out the number of valence electrons. 3. Connect the structures by connecting the atoms. 4. Place all the electrons outside the atoms. 5. Make sure the atoms satisfy the octet rule. So the one that we're doing today is hydrogen cyanide, which is HCN. So the first thing we did was we drew out the outline, HCN. Next is to figure out the valence electrons. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron because it's in group 1. Carbon has 4 valence electrons because it's in group 4. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons because it's in group 5. So the first thing we do is we place down 2 of our valence electrons. Then we place it around the carbon. Then next, the nitrogen. And then place the remaining 4 valence electrons around it. Hydrogen has already satisfied its octet rule because it's in the 1s orbital, and anything more than that would make it very unstable. So hydrogen is satisfied with the 2 atoms that are right here connected to the carbon. Nitrogen is satisfied because it has all 8 valence electrons around it. But carbon only has 4 valence electrons. So what we do is we take 2 away from the nitrogen and put it next to the carbon. So now that carbon still needs 2 more, but nitrogen still satisfied its octet rule. So the next thing we do is take 2 more away from nitrogen. And put it next to the carbon. And now both carbon and nitrogen satisfy their octet rules, and so does hydrogen. And we know that total valence electrons are 10.